Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel Guide. Today I'm going to cover the SCP. So what does it mean? SCP stands for Secure Copy Protocol. Now the Secure Copy Protocol or SCP helps to transfer computer files securely from a local to a remote host. It is somewhat similar to a file transfer protocol and it adds security and authentication. That's why it's secure. Then what is protocol we already know. Set of rules used by computers to communicate, and the default port for SCP will be 22 port number, and same as SSH. And again, for this practical we need two machines. One is for server, another one is for client, so that we can transfer the file from client end to the server end using SCP. So for the process of SCP, we have to log in as a user. Then using a touch command we'll create a file, and we'll use SCP command like SCP, then file name, then username @ the particular server IP address, and we'll need to copy it to the user and its home directory of it. So enter the username and password of it. Now currently I'm in root user, so I'm going to change it to the created user of mine. So it is test. It's already been logged in. Now do ls-ltr. We'll see whether any file has been created over here. So we have a file named xyz. Do here we vi xyz. Open it. Write something here. Press insert. This is a test file transfer server. Alright, and I'm going to saving it. So if I do cat here to see the content of the file, so you can see this is the content of the file. So moving ahead, so I need to transfer this file to the server end, and what is the IP address of this? So let's go to the server end to see the IP address of it. So server end is like, so this is the IP address of server. Take this IP address. We have created a file. Now clear the screen. We'll transfer this file to the server end user home directory. So let's check here the username whether it is existing. So we'll do su test here as well. Yes, it is existing. s-ltr. We'll see whether the files are there. Okay, go to client now. So now I'm in client side and I have logged in as test user. So let's check if any file is here. So it is here. You can see 50 byte file is there already. Let's check what's inside. vi xyz. So this is inside. Now I'm using the command of SCP. So it will be SCP. The file name is xyz. Then the username set test. Then @ 22.168.1.22. Then colon. Then home of test user. I'm going to transfer this file to there. Enter. It is authenticating. Say yes. Give the password. This is the byte and this is the byte transferred. Go to the server to check whether it has been copied properly. So do ls-ltr here. You can see the file name. Here it was 0, now it is copied over here. So we'll do cat space file name to check the content of it. So now the file has been copied to server end. If I go here, this was 50 byte the client end, and after copying to the server end it is the same 50 byte. So that's how we can do this SCP for transferring the file securely from one server to another, or say from one client to another server. Like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.